Sir, meanwhile, the attendees are joining. Can I ask you a question? How was this journey? Like, what do you think about this journey? I know you are in this field for so many years, and you're there. But how do you think this journey was?
About which my pencil drawing journey.
Yeah, pencil drawing journey.
Okay, it was my hobby uh, till 4 years before. Okay, it was my hobby, and I used to draw normal sketches, pencil sketches. But once I was in landmark seminar about the integrity, and in that after the integrity session, I started observing my drawing again and thought why it should not be like the best in the world. It's representing me. So how I should give myself to the pencil drawing. And that moment changed my pencil drawing completely. Completely. Within 1 month, it's a tremendous difference I got in my pencil drawing because of that one seminar. Okay. And every time till today, whenever I say this now it is complete, no, again I am seeing something missing in that drawing. I will see that missing, and again I will do it, and again I will shoot it, and again I will observe the photo. Sometimes I will feel something is missing. Almost this process goes for 20 to 25 times. Okay, and after that I
So that
say,
means the final portrait or final picture comes after 25 days. I can say that.
yeah, 25 times I see observe it. Sometimes I observe it after 1 month as well, and notice some difference, some missing part, and I correct it. That's the process I follow,
Oh,
and uh, till date I'm feeling incomplete about the pencil drawing. I'm not not knowing about the pencil drawing. That's my feeling till date, and continuously in search of how I can render about the rendering process. How can I bring brilliance into that? Till that every morning I observe the drawing of old masters. What is missing in my drawing? What is their pros? What is the cons? Everything. And these 3 years journey is just like a dream for me. Okay. Each and every day I live my dream continuously in drawing, which is my passion. And the best thing is that I'm earning from that my passion. It's the most successful thing for myself.
yeah, I can definitely think about it's a big success, and one seminar can change or make a turning point for life.
Yeah,
That
turning
I
point.
do believe. I do believe on certain things. But if I ask you one question, you are such a great pencil artist, and you are well known. The American award you have won. But when you look after at somebody as what you take a inspiration from.
Okay. In that way, there are a lot of old masters. Okay. Like Andrew Loomis, the magnificent work that he has done. He has spent entire life teaching and researching on anatomy, everything, and rendering process as well. And one one of the most uh, important personality inspiring for myself is Steve Jobs. Look for only for excellence. That was his statement, and I
Yeah,
do
Steve
follow it.
Jobs was the person. Yeah, I understand. A lot of people follow. I follow him because he was the only person uh, who had everything, who left with nothing, and he again made the empire. And
And
today also, Apple is
yeah,
known by Steve Jobs.
yeah,
No one. I don't think so. Anyone of in country also they don't know Steve Jobs.
yeah, yeah. And my first inspiration is my mom. Okay, in the childhood days, she had asked me. She said me one sentence in Marathi. तुला तुझी डिग्री कोणी विचारताना तुझं काम पाहून तुझी डिग्री विचारली पाहिजे. तुझ्या डिग्री विचारून तुला काम नाही दिलं पाहिजे.
Oh,
एवढं
that's
बोल.
true. Such a good words.
So that one sentence inspired me my complete life. I never believed on academic education as well. I मला त्याचं वाईट वाटत नाही पण अकॅडमिक एज्युकेशन पाहिजे गोष्ट बरोबर आहे बट आय नेवर thought that academic education will transform my life. Only one thing can transform my life is the skill and dedication and persistence.
Yeah, that's true. That is the key. See, academic, how I take academic. Academic I take as you get books which will tell you
Yeah,
the theories,
yeah, yeah.
but you as a yourself, you have to mold yourself using your brain logic and
Yes, of course,
enhance into it.
of
Books
course.
will tell you the just it has been done, this has been done, it how
Yeah,
it can be done. But
yes,
how and what you do, what you carve yourself and makes yourself. So that rightly you said, correct. Your skills should talk,
yes.
not your paper. Paper is
Correct.
mandate. It is a required,
It is
but
required.
yeah, but that skill is something you have done it so well. So now Uma madam, I think we should proceed. Thank you
Okay.
very much, sir, for nice talk. Now we will start our session.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Uma Seth, and I welcome you once again for the second session of Pencil Drawing with Sadashiv Sawant sir, hosted by our Green Inks Foundation. Today, sir will be analyzing the drawings sent by our participants, point out the flaws and shows way to improve their drawing and declare the result. But before we proceed further, let's quickly take you through the AV of Green Inks Foundation and then ask our co-founder Randeep Pawar to speak few words about our foundation. Team, can you run the AV?
Hi, yeah. I hope all the participants enjoy the small clip. Green Imps Foundation, what I and Revati came up with something where we are trying to using a technology, try to reach out to the mainstream, to the rural people or rural areas where sir, the masters in their subject, like Sadashiv sir, we try to bring this kind of education, which is not possible for you to come to Mumbai and take lectures from the sir or get a training from sir. But we try to bring such a topics where you can over the using a technology, we can try to reach out to you. This is the what our aim is, where we try to reach out some digital education, the best in the industry. We try to bring you, and we try to the help to the kids where this is kind of a digital education we are trying to give. And I am really thankful to all of you. You guys participated, and all the students, they made the drawings and sent us to, and then it's really appreciating it, right? Today I see the all who are sent the drawings, they really love sketching, they really love pencil art. This is what I can say, and for that I'm really thankful to all the participants, and same time I'm so thankful to Sadashiv sir also, because such a well-known person who's giving some time to us, and teaching our kids what is best and how they can improve. With this, I can ask you guys if you think this platform is good, if you think we are doing something good, and if you want us to improve somewhere, you can go to Facebook, put a comments on our page. And I can only just say one thing: a small gesture of yours can make a big difference for us. Over to you, Uma madam.
Yes, Ranjit sir. Yes, Ranjit sir rightly said, we want to reach the rural India. Further, like to add that after arranging such webinars, we put this on our Facebook page and then send these links to rural area through various sources so that they can access such webinars, learn something new from it absolutely at no cost. The intentions of our foundations are very clear, reaching rural India through various mediums. Now, most of the participants here today are those who have attended our previous session of pencil drawing by Sadashiv Sawant sir. And by now, everyone must have googled all the information about Sadashiv Sawant sir. But still, we take the privilege of introducing our speaker. Some say him pencil drawing guru in India. Some call him Dronacharya of pencil sketching and shading. Even if you don't know how to draw, his courses make you draw. Pencil's Perception, the studio established by Sadashiv Sawant sir, makes altogether a wide world of pencil drawing. He's equally passionate about teaching others the art of sketching, graphite and charcoal. So he conducts workshops and now even offers regular online and offline coaching for artists. From winning to the top place in American art competition to making sketches of legends like Sri Amitabh Bachchan, Sri Sachin Tendulkar, and many more, he is completely dedicated to pencil drawing. His details are easily available at www.pencilperception.com. With this, I welcome Sadashiv Sawant sir to start with the session. But before we start, let's have a look at few of the drawings that are sent by the participants. Team, yes, sir. You can start with the session.
Yes, I appreciate all these participants for with the interest participating in this competition and doing pencil drawing of this subject which I have given through the videos. So we have seen all this drawing. So apart from all the drawing, okay, I would like to talk about first 5 winners. Okay, I will explain about what is the missing part of this and what is the positive point, what is the plus point of their drawing. And I will give you some tips to all of you at the end of this analysis of 5 winners. Okay. What you can improve, how you can improve. I would like to say one thing is that pencil drawing is the difficult than the paintings as well. Okay, so you need to take the pencil drawing very seriously. I have seen a lot of painters, they can paint anything, but they are very weak at pencil drawing. Okay. But the pencil drawing has a particular limitations as well and particular positive point as well, plus point as well. So you need to take care of all these things while doing the pencil drawing, and it is not an easy task. Yesterday only I have read one sentence of the one of the masters from Florence Art Academy. He said, for completing one simple patch, it takes several hours to finish that patch, simple small patch. So that will give you an idea how seriously the Western artists are taking the pencil drawing itself. Okay, so let us start analyzing right from the number 5. Can I show? Yeah. Hello, Ditya. You have done good job. The thing is that the missing part in this is your finishing touches. Okay? And the positive point is that you have done that tonal value separation. Good. Somewhere you have missed the tonal value in that dark areas and above. And the missing bounce rate is there. The bounce rate is missing in your drawing. Okay. You have to allocate that bounce rate area, which I have shown and which I have talked in that video. You need to slow down while finishing it. I will explain after this video, after this session, how you can improve each one of you. The sharpness is the good thing you have maintained for the as a property of that onion peel. That is the plus point. And the division, okay, you have done it. And the shadow you have to little bit spread. It should not have sharp edge. It should be merged with the paper white itself. Okay. So let us move to 4th. Yeah, Vihan, you have done your drawing neatly, okay, and you have done the division as well. But the missing part is the tonal variation of the bounce rate. Bounce rate is missing in your drawing. But overall, it looks good. And the sharpness of peel is somewhere is present and somewhere it is missing. That you need to take care of. And about the shadow. For all of you, I can say shadow is a difficult part. And only in our academy, we are teaching the soft shadows. The soft shadows, the importance of soft shadows is bringing depth to any object, any drawing. It helps a lot. So we'll move to 3rd. Yeah, Brahmaraj Singh. Okay, it looks good as at a point we can see it, but it has been darkened a little more. And about the division, you have done it well at the bottom side, and upper side it is not visible, but at somewhere the peels is looking very good, and the bottom roots and upper top is looking good. Little more lightness would have been done better in this drawing. बहुत अच्छा दिख सकता था अगर light होता था तो. और shadow, you all need to learn shadow. So point number 2nd. Yeah, so overall the look of your onion is not finished, but it is looking good. Okay, just because you could able to maintain the tonal differences of its highlight and bounce light and the shade part as well. Only missing part is the shadow and bottom is missing. But overall, if I look it from a distance, it looks good. Okay, so you need to take a lot of efforts about the finishing. You have to improve a lot on finishing. Okay, so number 1. Okay, Dayarani, you have done a really good job. Your drawing is very neat and clean. Your shadows also you have tried well, and division also you have done very well. But only thing is the division, the upper going division upside, it should also merge with the tone, dark tone. Okay? That is the one most weak point we have, the missing point in your drawing. And the dark part of the peel, that is missing. Otherwise, it looks good, and really you have done a good job. A little bit tonal difference would have done a better job in this drawing, and the sharpness, it's a good thing. So can we start about the few points which I would like to demonstrate yourself. Okay.
Yes, sir. One second. Can we just go over the from top 5, 4, if anybody missed to see their names? Uma madam, can you just announce it? Go to the result and just to be clear, right? The 5th rank, Uma madam, can you just go ahead and announce?
Yeah, the 5th rank goes to Ditya Sage.
Congratulations, Ditya.
Vihan is 4th.
Congratulations, Vihan.
Brahmaraj Singh is 3rd.
Congratulations, Brahmaraj Singh.
2nd winner is Soham.
Hello, Soham. Congratulations for you.
The 1st one is Dayarani.
Hello, Daya. Congratulations, artist. Congratulations. Okay, I would like to show
Sir,
something.
you can just take over.
Okay. Yes. I'm shifting my camera. Is it visible? Hello, Randeep. Is it visible?
Yes.
So one of the most important thing is about the shadow. I would like to demonstrate. Okay. This is the part. How it can be mixed with paper white. Okay. This is the dark part. Okay. And if I want to convert it into softness, what I will do, I will take pencil 2B and will give a soft stroke. This way, you can mix the tone with the paper white. Light stroke on this side. Now again I can use pencil 4B.
सर आय थिंक तुमचा जो माईक आहे ना तो तुमच्या शरीराला हिट करून ना एक सर्टन नॉइज क्रिएट करतोय.
ठीक आहे.
ओके,
आता बरोबर आहे.
हा ठीक आहे.
मी फॅन ऑफ करू का? कसा आवाज येतोय? This way, you can mix up the tone. Okay, got it. This should be the outer edge of the shadow. This should be inner side. Now, lot of you people miss the mixing of the tonal plane in that onion. Okay, I will show you. This is the dark part of a pencil, and it comes down. Okay, so in this way, so you can mix up the tone. The stroke should be in the direction of the profile of that onion. Look at this joint. This is the dark portion, and this is the light portion. Yeah, I was talking about this. This light edge, light division should also tone down if it goes upside, upward. Now mix it up here. See, again the taper and stroke. These strokes are this. This is a light edge, light hand. This is light hand, this is light hand. Okay? So it won't create any patch like, if I'll do it like this, it will create patch. So what now I'll have to mix it. Every stroke should be like this. Okay? Light edge, light edge. Again, dark side here. Dark to light, dark to light. Here I'll mix it again. Okay, this is the way you can develop all kind of shading. And if you want to make it more fine, you can use sharper pencil. Do not do any kind of smudging, tissue paper or fingering. Do not use your fingers to merge the tones or cotton. Do it everything with the pencil itself. And remember, to complete one pencil drawing, it takes several hours. If you want to give a good finishing. It should have round it as well, dark to light. Okay. This way you can improve your pencil drawing. And these are my tips for not using any kind of earbud, cotton, tissue paper, or your fingers. Only do it with the pencil itself. And this is the one of the most important pencil stroke. Light and light. It will make you eligible for doing any kind of finishing, any kind of blending, horizontal or vertical. So you can use these techniques. These are the primary technique and the basic technique and the most important technique of the pencil drawing. You can start your learning and experimenting with this technique. So thank you so much for watching this demonstration. Okay, any questions?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Your dedication could be seen in pinpointing minute details. You sounded like a perfect guru. I felt as if going back to school days. Your passion could be seen. So since you are here and will not let you go without asking few questions. But in the meanwhile, if any one of the participants want to ask sir any question or any winner want to say something, you can just type in the question answer tab and our team will unmute you. With your permission, sir, can we start the question answer round?
Yes, of course.
Sir, how do your drawings look so effective? What is the secret?
Okay. It is not a secret. Okay. The 80% of the thing is about the observation and choosing the reference. Okay. And one most important thing is the light is everything. The light is everything. It will make the drawing beautiful or attractive. If you take any flat object and whatever detail you will put inside that, it won't look attractive. Okay. But it's one simple egg also will look beautiful if if you take a photograph or put that egg in the particular light direction with the shadow effect, it will look beautiful. The effectiveness, the secret behind the effectiveness of the drawing is choosing the reference with the particular light effect and shadow effects. That does matters a lot. It reduces your efforts as well, minimizes your efforts to bring effectiveness.
Okay, sir, one more question. Not as a career, but still, do you think pencil art can be useful?
Of course, of course, of course. It is useful. Okay, in everywhere. Okay, a lot of other professionals coming to my academy, like tattoo artists, mehndi artists, lot of other artists. Okay, even what is oil portraits are available. They need pencil drawing portfolio for themselves. One of the students from Surat Fine Art College, he wanted to apply for scholarship in US Academy, one college from US. But they asked him to complete the pencil drawing portfolio. So he used to come at my studio and he completed the portfolio. That way, he got selected and he got scholarship in US International College. and one of the architecture college in UK, and one student from Dubai, she had come to me to improve her pencil drawing, because that UK college has suggested that you have to submit your pencil drawing portfolio. And she stayed here for 1 month. She completed the pencil drawing portfolio, and she got the admission at UK college. So pencil drawing is the must for everyone in every art fair.
So when you gave the tutorial link, our team realized that this is an art very different from what we think.
Yes,
There's
of course.
so much passion required. So what do you think are the prerequisites in an artist for pursuing this art?
Prerequisite is a persistence and love towards that art. Love. I cannot say the patience. Okay. Uh, I can say one sentence. Without love, nothing is possible. Without love, nothing is possible. I love that looking at the texture, whatever I used to do. It's not my big point, but I look at the texture created by pencil on paper. I keep on looking at texture. And that pulls me again and again towards pencil drawing. And I enjoy the texture like anything. That pulls me toward the pencil drawing. I cannot enjoy that thing in the painting as well, because I don't feel that kind of touch of pencil and paper. I don't feel that kind of texture. So for pencil drawing, to pursue pencil drawing, you must love the touch of pencil to the paper. Okay. That is everyone's choice. Some may look like painting, some may like pencil drawing, but I like pencil drawing. That's the thing.
So which tools do you use for the blending?
I don't use any kind of tool for blending, only pencil. Just I have showed you like this. This is the blending, dark to light, dark to light. Okay, dark to light. I won't use any only pencil, paper, and if anything mistake I do, I use kneaded eraser, but for a small amount, for a little portion. I don't use a kneaded eraser for a big portion to erase that something, just to blot some of the graphite.
And how do we give highlights, sir, when you're drawing?
Okay. Lot of students, lot of queries from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook ask me, sir, how do you give highlights? Which tool do you use, white gel or something like that? No, white gel creates an artificial look, and after some times, what happens? Paper color of the paper makes looks different, and color of the white gel looks different, and that's why it looks artificial. For the highlight, I already planned those highlights on the drawing, and I leave those highlights as it is. I leave the paper as it is. I don't touch any kind of pencil over there. I only touch of any paper as well. So that's way I can that is the way I can create highlights of the drawing.
So one question for you, like technology has changed. You yourself offer a lot of online courses. But
Okay.
we would like to know what interests you more, the online teaching or teaching in your classes personally.
Okay, both is okay. Online also, what I do, I give the live demonstration. Okay, live demonstration. A lot of students are here. Sometimes they don't understand. Sometimes they don't understand. Then I put up my camera on and do the demonstration. And offline, what happens on in the offline, I give demonstration on their drawing. And my bad habit is that I forget everything and keep on going there drawing again and again and again. And they say, sir, मेरा drawing है मुझे complete करने दो. So that is the difference. Okay.
Okay.
So I enjoy both the things. Offline is a totally different environment. It is an environment and it inspires a lot of people to come there and enjoy the drawing process, have fun. And that way, a lot of students have come out of the depression, aged students as well. Right now, I have a student of 65-year-old, and I salute him. He did my silver course twice. And a few days before, he entered the ONI school. For the registering in ONI school, there is a prerequisite, and he has to pass the test assignment. then he can enter into a new course. And he did that. He said, ये उम्र में मुझे इसके से और कुछ खुशी नहीं है. I came out of depression. So that's the most important thing for myself.
Thank you, sir. Any question from the participants? Any winner wants to speak anything? Okay, then we go ahead.
Yes.
Sir has wonderfully answered all our questions. On behalf of Green Aims Foundation, I would like to thank you once again for being with us here today, giving your valuable time, analyzing the drawing, giving the result, answering our questions. We can't thank you enough for this, sir.
Thank you so much for inviting me on such a beautiful platform. You are doing great work in the rural area. I used to conduct some workshop in the rural areas as well, and I was amazed by their talents as well. I can say one of the experience that once I conducted a workshop for 2 hours, the students did the magnificent progress in that after the 2 hours, and the school headmaster used to ask me, how did you transform them? But those are a lot of talents are there in our rural areas. I am sure a lot of talented students are there. They need only the guidance. That's it. And thank you so much for inviting me on this such a beautiful, and giving me an opportunity to serve these people, serve those students. Thank you so much.
Before we end this, I request all the winners to send their details on our WhatsApp number. So we have their details. We would like to have the details from them as well. Okay, with this, we end our today's session. Our next session will be relating to cyber ethics etiquettes. It will be useful for all the internet users. We shall understand a better way to handle the internet world. We'll be shortly coming up with the e-flyers. Hope to see you all there too. Thank you all, and thank you, sir, once again. Thank you.
Thank you.